Hello again. Happy New Year. Hope yours was good as ours was. It's time to get back to work, though. And what I thought I'd do here is a little test of the amount of force I can apply to the carriage for a given torque on the lead screw. So right now I have the lead screw connected up here. Well, I should say disconnected from the stepper motor so that I don't have anything interfering there. And I'm going to apply some torque to the lead screw, and we're going to see how much force I get on the gauge. The gauge that I'm using is Chatillon AX 1000. It's a 1,000 pound dial force gauge. And I have here an inch-pound torque wrench on the lead screw. So here goes. Let's see if I can see, what have I got here? Let me start. Get this. Okay. Here goes. All right. Here it comes. Let's see how much torque I've got on there. Something around 100 inch-pounds of torque right there. And I can't see what's happening over there on the force gauge, but I think I'm at several hundred pounds of force over there, I think. So let's keep going and see where we are now. No, let's see, we're still at about 100 inch-pounds. We're going to go a little further. I can sort of see just barely see the dial. I think I'm up around 500 inch-pounds now. And what am I seeing? About 150 inch-pounds of torque to give me about 500 pounds of force on the carriage over there. Let's keep going. So let's see, what do we got now? Still about 150. Looks like I'm up around 175 there. Getting up towards, yeah, 175 or so. $175. Got a bad angle with the camera between me and this torque wrench, but I think I'm up around what? Well, I'm up there anyway. Go a little further. Start again. Okay. Still, I would say probably around 175 inch-pounds of torque. And getting up there now. Let's do one more. One more time. I'm actually a little concerned that I might break something here. So again, 175 inch-pounds of torque, I think. Might have bumped up around 200 there. Anyway, just some more testing to get some idea how this thing will behave.